नवोदय क्रांति प्रस्तुत करते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लास।
Our body is the most amazing machine in the world. How do we know what is happening around us? We have 5 ways to know about a thing. These are called senses, like sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Our 5 sense organs help us to sense anything. Let's talk about those 5 sense organs. Now repeat after me with actions. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Now pause the video here and repeat again yourself. Very nice. So today we are going to talk about our eyes. We can see things with our eyes. We can see colors, shapes, and sizes with my eyes. Can you tell me what is the color of this flower? Yes, this is a red flower. Can you tell me the name of shapes in this picture? Very good. It's a heart, circle, and triangle. Now, tell me which tree is bigger and which one is smaller? Fantastic. You know all the answers. So you told me all the answers by watching the pictures, and you watch the pictures with your eyes. Now repeat after me. I can see things. I can see colors. I can see sizes. And I can see shapes with my eyes. We can smell things with our nose. We can smell good as well as bad things with our nose. We can also breathe with our nose. Now see these things carefully. Toothpaste, perfume, coconut oil or mustard oil, onion, lemon. Now pause this video here and quickly collect these things with the help of your parents. Now close your eyes and try to identify these things by smelling them. Also share your experience with your ma'am. We can taste different things with our tongue. We can taste sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and spicy things with our tongue. Here I am going to show you some things which are easily available at your home. Sugar, salt, turmeric, lemon, biscuits, and coffee powder. Now pause the video here and collect these things with the help of your parents and quickly come back. Now taste the sugar and touch the correct option on your phone screen. Is it sweet, salty, sour, spicy, or bitter in taste? Very good. Sugar is sweet. Now taste the salt and tell me, what is the taste of salt? Salty. Correct. Now take a little bit of coffee powder and taste it. The coffee powder is bitter in taste. Let's taste lemon now. Lemon is sour. So, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now repeat after me. We can taste sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and spicy things with our tongue. We can hear different sounds with our ears. We can hear soft as well as loud sound with our ears. Now listen the sounds which I am sharing with you in this video and tell whose sound it is. Parents are requested to give a star on the child's hand for every correct answer. Pause the video after every sound and let the child think the answer. Let's start. Correct. It's a whistle. It's a worship bell. It is the sound of a peacock. Yes, it's a drum roll. Yes, it's an alarm clock. Very well done. Clap for yourself. So have you seen how your ears help you to hear different type of sounds? Now repeat after me. I can hear sounds with my ears. I can hear soft as well as loud sounds with my ears. We can feel things with our skin. We can feel hot and cold, soft and hard, and we can also feel sharp and blunt things with our skin by touching them. Now watch these things carefully. Ice cubes, cotton, a plate, a bowl, a blunt pencil, and a comb. Now pause this video here and quickly collect these things with the help of your parents. Now take a bag and put all the things inside that bag. Now ask your parents to blindfold you and one by one put your hand inside the bag and touch a thing, feel it and tell what is that to your parents. Let's revise what all we have learned this week in EVS. Repeat with me. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to feel.